Join me as I embark on an exciting adventure into the captivating world of PayPal games, where I aim to uncover whether it is genuinely possible to earn some cash or if this entire concept is merely an elaborate ruse. In recent times, the notion of PayPal games has gained considerable traction as a popular method for generating online income. A growing number of individuals are enthusiastically hopping on this trend, eager to supplement their earnings with a bit of extra cash. However, a crucial question lingers in the air. Do these games truly deliver on their promises of financial gain? As opportunities for online earning continue to expand, it is no wonder that skepticism tends to follow closely in their wake. Many individuals are left pondering whether these games are genuinely worth the investment of their valuable time. Can you actually make money by playing games online? Or is it simply a futile pursuit that leads to disappointment? In this video, we will conduct a thorough examination of PayPal games, evaluating whether they are, in fact, worthy of your time and effort. We will delve into the various types of games available, explore their payout structures, and analyze the experiences shared by users. By the end of this video, you will possess a clearer understanding of whether PayPal games represent a viable opportunity for making money online. You might be curious as to why we are focusing specifically on PayPal games. The answer is straightforward. PayPal is one of the most widely recognized and trusted online payment systems, making it a convenient and secure platform for receiving payments. Now let's dive deeper into the core of the discussion. One of the most significant concerns that people express regarding PayPal games is whether they actually provide any real financial returns. Numerous individuals claim that these games are nothing more than a clever way to waste your precious time, insisting that you will never see any tangible money deposited into your PayPal account. Some critics go so far as to label PayPal games as scams, suggesting that they are designed to entice you into completing various tasks and surveys without ever delivering actual rewards. But is this assertion truly accurate? Another widespread concern is that PayPal games seem too good to be true. Many people are skeptical, believing that if it sounds overly easy, there must be some hidden catch waiting to ensnare unsuspecting participants. However, what if I told you that there are indeed individuals who are managing to earn a respectable income through these games? Some may worry that PayPal games are only accessible to those with advanced technical skills, leading them to believe that you need specialized knowledge to achieve success. But is that genuinely the case? In addition, there are concerns that PayPal games might simply serve as a means for companies to exploit free labor, taking advantage of people's aspirations to earn money online. Yet, it's important to consider that many companies are actually willing to compensate fairly for your time and expertise. Another prevalent concern is the fear that PayPal games are a tactic to collect personal information, creating the potential for identity theft or unauthorized access to your PayPal account. Nevertheless, what if I told you that the majority of PayPal games are designed with robust security measures in place, ensuring that your personal information remains well protected? When it comes to PayPal games, numerous misconceptions abound. Many people assume they are too good to be true, that they are scams, or that they are simply a waste of time. But what if I revealed that some individuals are successfully earning a living from these games? Let's take a closer look at the various types of PayPal games that are available. There are opportunities in online surveys, competitions, and gaming apps, each with distinct payout structures and user experiences. Among the most popular PayPal games are online surveys, which allow you to earn money by sharing your opinions on a wide range of topics, from beauty products to the latest technology. These surveys can yield earnings that range from a few dollars to hundreds, depending on their complexity and length. Another category of PayPal games includes online competitions. These can vary from trivia games to competitive gaming tournaments, often offering prizes that range from modest amounts to significant sums of money. Additionally, gaming apps have become increasingly popular, enabling users to earn money by engaging in gameplay, completing tasks, and achieving specific milestones. Recent studies indicate that a considerable number of PayPal gamers are indeed making a respectable income through these activities. In fact, some gamers report earnings exceeding $1,000 each month. One eye-opening statistic is that a majority of PayPal gamers are women, which challenges the stereotype that the gaming industry is predominantly male-dominated. Furthermore, many PayPal gamers are over the age of 30, countering the common belief that online gaming is exclusively for the younger generation. During my research, I encountered several compelling success stories of individuals who are making a full-time income through PayPal games. These individuals are not just earning a few extra dollars on the side, they are successfully supporting themselves and their families. For instance, one inspiring story involved a stay-at-home mom who managed to earn over $5,000 each month by playing online games, allowing her to provide for her family and even launch her own business. Another remarkable success story featured a college student who was able to earn more than $2,000 per month by completing online surveys, which enabled him to cover his tuition and living expenses effectively. So, do PayPal games truly pay off? The answer is nuanced. It depends on various factors. While some individuals are indeed achieving a decent income through these games, others may not find the same level of success. It's crucial to keep in mind that PayPal games are not a get-rich-quick scheme. They require a significant investment of time and effort. In conclusion, PayPal games can represent a viable option for generating income online. Although there are risks and prevalent misconceptions, there are also countless success stories and opportunities waiting to be discovered. If you are considering giving PayPal games a try, I strongly encourage you to conduct thorough research and familiarize yourself with the payout structures and user experiences associated with these games. Don't hesitate to share your own experiences and insights in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember to check out my other video on making money online for more valuable tips and insights. As we conclude our exploration of the captivating world of PayPal games, keep in mind that while these opportunities may seem appealing, a cautious approach is always advisable. Not everything that glitters is gold, and it's essential to maintain a realistic perspective as you navigate this landscape. As we reflect on our findings, it's essential to recognize that the landscape of online earning is vast and ever-evolving. While PayPal games present a unique avenue for potential income, they are just one part of a much larger picture. There are countless other opportunities available in the digital ecosystem, from freelancing to affiliate marketing, each with its own set of challenges and rewards. Exploring PayPal games can be an exciting beginning, but it's equally important to stay informed and adaptable. Continue researching, connecting with others in the online earning community, and exploring various avenues that interest you. By doing so, you will not only enhance your chances of success, but also build a comprehensive understanding of the opportunities available in the online world. Thank you once again for joining me in this exploration. I hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. As you consider your next steps in the realm of online earning, remember to stay curious and open-minded, and don't hesitate to share your journey with others.